Hey everybody, I'm Gabby.
And I'm Chad with Blue Compass RV.
We're here today to take a look at the new 2025 Newmar Dutch Star 4369.
Now with this Dutch Star, there's some really cool features and options you can get on the exterior. Now the first thing you're gonna see is a 360-degree camera system all the way around the coach. And that's gonna come down to the 450 horsepower Cummins ISB diesel engine that is available. You're also gonna have the Onyx package option. And what that's gonna do, one, it's gonna give you these awesome looking black wheels. It's also gonna black out all of the chrome that you're used to seeing on a Newmar. That's all gonna be black. This is an awesome package to get on your Newmar coach. Now let's go inside and see what the inside has to offer.
Up front on every luxury diesel Newmar motorhome, you get Comfort Drive. This is a package that allows you to drive a lot more comfortably, and it's going to steer you back to center. You don't have to white knuckle your steering wheel while you're going down the road. Let's check out the back now. What makes Newmar a top pick for customers when they're choosing a luxury diesel pusher is going to be how fully customizable your motorhome is. From the cabinetry to the floors, you get to pick the colors and design that works for your family. Your living room is optioned with theater seats, super wide and super comfortable, right across from a couch for entertaining and a big TV so you can watch your games. Back here you have a big kitchen with a pull-out island, dishwasher, induction cooktop, and more. Across from your kitchen is your dining table fit for two, which does pull out to seat an additional 2 guests if you have anyone traveling with you. Behind the dinette is going to be this huge Whirlpool fridge freezer with an ice maker and a water filter on board already. And right next to it is going to be your pantry. It's got these drawers that you push in to release and then pull all the way out for really deep storage.
As we move into the bedroom of this incredibly appointed Newmar coach, first thing I want you to see is that yes, it is a king bed, and if you're going for a luxury motorhome, you definitely want a king bed. Also notice the really cool integrated lighting throughout the woodwork. It looks like it's meant to be there. You also have touch controls underneath the bed, so you're able to turn all of your lights on and off right there. You don't have to get up out of the bed to do that. And one of the things I really like on each nightstand, there's actually integrated power. So if you need something at night, if you need 110 power, that's there. And of course, there's going to be storage underneath. Now, when you swing around, we're going to have this beautiful wardrobe with the incredible Newmar wood. And remember, you can customize that to however you'd like it. And of course, we have the solid surface countertop as well as the TVs and mirrors wherever you need them to be able to get ready in the morning. And for a luxury diesel motorhome, this is the type of master bathroom that you want to have. Of course, we're going to have stackable washer and dryers the way you want them to be. You have touchscreen controls so you can turn everything on and off while you're inside the coach. You have his and her sinks there, as well as the Corian countertops. Lots of storage with great mirrors and medicine cabinet storage behind it, and a massive shower, large enough for 2, maybe even 3. And this also has the shower miser that will help you reduce your water usage when you're camping. Of course, with every Newmar, you're going to have the emergency exit in the back of the coach in the event that you need to get out and you can't make it to the front. And of course, we have a tremendous amount of wardrobe storage throughout the bathroom area. Thank you for watching this video on the 2025 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 floor plan.
For more information about this product or anything else we carry at Blue Compass RV, please visit one of our over 100 locations nationwide or go to our website at bluecompassrv.com.